So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC Physics Exam Revision Series, we have here these 10 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic light waves. So guys, this video will be about application of lenses in optical instruments. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following relation about the focal length f0 of the object and the focal length fe of the eyepiece of a compound microscope is correct? A. Fe is equal to 2f0. B. f0 is greater than fe. C. f0 is equal to fe. D. f0 is less than fe. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. f0 is greater than fe. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, a magnified and virtual image of a near object is produced by A. Simple microscope, B. Periscope, C. Prism binoculars, D. Astronomical telescope. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. A simple microscope produces a magnified and virtual image of a near object. So guys, that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So we have a diagram here, and the question here says, the diagram above represents an experimental setup for verifying A. Refraction laws, B. Lens formula, C. Mirror formula, D. Reflection laws. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's mirror formula. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 4 here. It says, a simple microscope forms an image 10 cm from an eye close to the lens. If the object is 6 cm from the eye, calculate the focal length of the lens. Alright, so guys, let's go ahead and solve this out together. So if we use the formula, 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. So we're going to have that 1 over f is equal to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 6. So guys, if we use the LCM to add these two, LCM of 10 and 6 is 30, and 30 over 10 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3, so this is 3 here, and then we're going to also divide 30 by 6 to have 5, and 5 times 1 is 5, so this is plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8, so we have 8 over 30 here, guys. So 1 over elf is 8 over 30, therefore elf is 30 over 8, and that's 3.75 cm. So option C is the answer to this question. So guys, let's go ahead and consider the next question, question number 5 here. So question number 5 here says, which of the following statements about the Galilean telescope is not correct? We have A. It is shorter than terrestrial telescope. B. It has a small field of view. C. The final image is erect. D. The final image is inverted. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. The final image is inverted. So this is not part of the features of a Galilean telescope. A Galilean telescope produces a final image that is erect, and it has a small field of view. It is also shorter than terrestrial telescope, but guys, it does not produce an inverted image. So option D is the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 6. It says, a converging lens of focal length 15 cm is used to obtain a real image magnified 1 over 2 times. Calculate the distance of the image from the lens. So guys, if we use the formula 1 over elf is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v, so we are going to have that u is actually equal to x. So let's say u is x, and then v is going to be 1.5 times of x, so that's 3 over 2 x. So in that case, since u is x and v is 3 over 2x, we can multiply the both by 2 to eliminate the fraction here. So in that case, u becomes 2x and then v becomes 3x. So let's go ahead and use this in the equation. So we're going to have 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v, which if we substitute all this, you're going to have 1 over 15 is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3x. So if we add this fraction up using the LCM will be 6x. So put down 6x, and then first of all 6x over 2x will be 3. So we have 3 plus, then 6x divided by 3x will be 2. So that will be 3 plus 2, that's 5. So we have 5 over 6x here. So it means that 1 over 15 is equal to 5 over 6x. So in that case, 6x will be 5 times 15, and that's 75. So 6x is 75. X alone will now be 75 over 6. So that's 12.5. So in order to get v is going to be 3x as stated earlier on, which is 12.5 times 3, and that's 37.5, and that's option A here, guys. So v is option A. So that's it for this question. Option A is the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. So the next question here says, which of the following types of lenses is suitable for correcting the eye defect illustrated by the ray diagram? So guys, looking at this, the object formed behind the retina. So let's look at the options we have here. A, planar diverging. B, diverging meniscus. C, biconverging. And D, bidiverging. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. So it will bring it to focus in a more shorter distance than it would have focused earlier on. In that case, it will focus on the retina. So option C is the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 8 here. It says, a lantern gives an image 3 meters square of a slide 7.62 cm square on a screen. If the screen is 10 meters from the projection lens of the lantern, calculate the focal length of the lens. So guys, in order for us to solve this out together, let's recall the equation of magnification that shows the relationship between height of image, height of object, and distance of image, distance of object. So guys, we have that height of image over height of object is equal to the distance of the image over the distance of the objects. So guys, if we substitute all the numbers here using this, the height of image here is 3 meters, that's 300 cm, over the height of the object, which is 7.62 cm. So this is equal to distance of image, which is 10 meters, and that's 10 times 100 cm, that's 1000 cm, then over the distance of objects, which is not given here, so that's u. So remember that distance of the image is v and distance of object is u. So in this case, let's now find u. So in order to find u, we're going to cross multiply this. So 300u is going to be 7.2 times 1000, which is 7620. So In that case, U is going to be 7620 over 300, which is 25.4. So guys, when we now use the formula 1 over F is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over V, we are going to have that 1 over F is equal to 1 over 25.4 plus 1 over 1000. So guys, let's go ahead and take the LCM of these and then find the sum of the two here. So guys, the LCM here will be 25,400. So if we divide this by the 25.4, we are going to have 1000, then plus, if we also divide it by the 1000, we are going to have 25.4. So 1000 plus 25.4 over 25,400. So that will be 1025.4 over 25,400. So 1 over F is 1025.4 over 25,400. In that case, F is going to be 25,400 over 1025.4. So that will be 24.8, and that's option D here. So 24.8 is the answer to this question, and that's option D. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question is question number 9 here. It says, which of the following defects of vision is as a result of the eyeball being too long? So we have A, long sight, B, astigmatism, C, loss of accommodation, D, short sight. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's short sight. So when the eyeball becomes too long, the image will form before the retina. So that's the short sight eye defect. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So guys, we have question number 10 and the last here. It says, the images formed by diverging lenses are always A, diminished, virtual and inverted, B, magnified, virtual and erect, C, diminished, virtual and erect, D, diminished, inverted and real. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will help you even as you study for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.